Hi guys, good morning sa inyong lahat. Hello, good morning Cheyenne.
Hello.
Pasok na sila sa school and ako naman pupuno ng tubig para sa halaman natin. And kagabi naglinis ako dito, nagtubig ako, hindi ko na pinakita, inayos ko yung mga halaman dito, nilagyan ko ng halaman. Ayan. Yung flower, ay lalabasan na ako pero hindi ako nakabra. Dito lang tayo. Dito ko nilagay yung fern. Ayan. Kasi na ang dalawa kong anakis. Andito na siya yan. It's here. Okay. It's here na mami. Tignan nyo ito. Yala, prepare yourself. Yala, I just want to show. Good morning. Ito na yung flower natin. Oh, nagbukadkad na siya. Ang ganda na. Unang bulaklak natin. Sa rose. Inisprayan ko pala ito guys. Tignan nyo, nasunog siya. Inisprayan ko na yung pinang-spray ko ng ants. Tinanggal ko yung may ganyan. Oh, white siya guys. Oh, akala ko pwede. Namatay naman ata sila. Kinahain kasi. Kaya inisprayan ko ng Sure? Okay.
Mom's broken. Give me the camera. Household.
Yala, tapos na. Yala, it's here na may love ko.
That's it.
Matig piso?
Sorry, mommy.
I love you. Study.
Bye-bye, mommy. I am not.
Are you wearing your haida, this one?
I am not.
You, Cheyenne?
No,
Where is it?
I didn't know.
He works there in a villa for a doctor, a very famous female doctor, feminine doctor. يعني doctor is a man, but يعني he is for female doctor.
Hey guys, on the way kami sa Adma. Adma. May magbibigay sa amin ng ibon. Dagdagan namin yung ibon para sa mga bata. Yung daw, lumalakad sa loob ng bahay, tapos lalagay sa kamay. Yung hindi siya lilipad. Tawag nito, yung dadaan sa kamay mo, ganyan. Yung mga, alam nyo, so pwede ilagay sa loob ng bahay at sa mga bata, laruin ng mga bata. Ibibigay sa amin. What is the name of Arabic in Arabic? I think parakit sa English guys, ewan ko lang. Hindi siya parrot, pero ginagamit ng mga magician, right? They are using in magic, mga magic, nagmamagic.
The one that walks on the shoulder.
So, on the way na kami sa Adma. Adma daw yung place. Imimit namin yung tao. Siya din yung nagbigay sa una naming bird. Yung Hason, siya din nagbigay. Nanguhuli daw siya ng ibon. Tapos, inaalagaan niya, ganyan. And then, kaibigan kasi ni Mr. Kaya, bibigyan niya kami ng ibon. Dati na kami may ibon. Dati, pangalan niya noon, Kibo at Kipa. Dalawang ibon. Kaso, na ni Kwi ay ni Sky. Nilagay ko kasi yung bahay nila sa taas ng avocado. Nung nag-jump si Sky, nasagi niya, lumipad. Nag-open yung bahay nila. Lumipad, ang cute. Blue at saka yellow-green yung alaga namin noon na dalawang ibon. Tinatawag namin Kibo at Kipa. On the way na kami. Malapit lang. Adma. guys, mag-summer na pala. Mainit na. Spring pa lang pero mainit na siya. Where we will go, Allah? In their shop?
I think he told me go to that shop, go take whatever you want, don't pay.
Huh? Le?
He deals with him. He puts his birds there. He deals with him. He sells birds for that one. So he brings his birds to put there to sell كمان, you know.
Wala.
They are together, so they show. It seems they are.
Business partner?
هذا once I took him to the. He went with Diana وكذا وهذا to the pub. I made them have bill that time.
Dito kami mag-enter. Yan yung papunta sa Bay Blues. Okay. Ako police. Okay guys, may police. Ayan, first time ako pumunta dito. Maganda din pala Adma. Mga bilas. Dito na kami guys. Ay, what is that noise? What is it? Hello. Ay, aquarium. Ay, may turtle. Saan na?
From the.
Ay, ang cute. Para kay? Han? And the other blue. It's nice. Eh?
خلاص بتشوفهم من هون.
هيدا the blue Han.
The blue, ها؟
ايه.
هذا
تو يعني.
هذا فتح هذا شايفه
اوكي.
وهي طيرة.
اوكي بتاخذوا اثنين.
ايه فيك هدول جوز مثل بعضهم يعني.
اوكي. ذكر انثى.
هدول براون. ايه ذكر وانثى. هذا الذكر بيكون ايه الذكر جون
هيدا سابع.
ايه ذكر.
الذكر بيكون من قاره من هون فوق ازرق وهي بني شايف؟
اوكي.
Can I touch? They will not come here in the hands. Eh?
هيدا بتمشيه على ايدك.
بدك تروضهم انا بروضهم.
You have to train them.
شو هيدا parrot? Hello. Di kumakain siya ng sunflower.
بيلعب.
شو اسعارهم؟ ايهم راح
هيدا blue is
العودة على الابيض.
green كمان.
مثل هدول يعني جوني بيقصوهم يعني هن زيتون.
انتبه يوم يطير دخيل ابيض.
لا
you have to train them to stay.
يعني
they will not fly يعني؟
قصوا هلا قصر لك جناحاته.
اوكي.
They will not fly? Eh, Han? They will not go?
You see? They're the one they put on the shoulder.
He will not go يعني?
لا, they cut a little bit from.
Okay, can I help? He will fly. He will die. Even some in the blue is the same?
the same بس هذا نقط يد.
هدول احلى من
هدول أحلى. Very nice the color.
ايه
المهم يكون عايش لحتى الاولاد ما اذا ماتوا بيعملوا لي كآبة بالبلاد.
اذا بيخبطوا فيهم ما بيصل له شيء. ايه بيعيشوا هدول.
خلص يلا بنعتمد على هذول الاثنين.
نقي لهم القفص هذا
احمر. which one؟ احمر ولا بلو؟
هذا بلو بس.
شو بدك؟
ما بعرف شو بدي.
بلو.
يلا الازرق مثل الازرق.
جماعة وين ماشي
We will call you what we will call you.
يا عم
We will call you.
هلا ذكر انتي ها؟
ايه ذكر وانت يا رجل. هلا بعدين اذا بدك تجوزهم بتجيب لهم صندوقه اصغر من هي.
هي
ابيض.
هيدول البنت.
to make them بس انا شو عرفني امتى بيجوزوهم هون؟
وبدك تحطها انت وهن
هن جوني بتحط لهم ورق
نشارة
او نشاره او اي شيء، هن
ايه
بدخلوا
بس انه لهم وقت، يعني لهم اشهر معينه بيتجوزوا ولا
بس يجهزوا بيتجوزوا عادة بالربيع او يعني باول الربيع وهلا
يعني بس شوفوا عم بيسيحوا خلص، بس قاعدين عم بيبوسوا بعض وعم
بس على بعض.
بيسيحوا خلص.
اوكي.
تاني من
Magkasama na yani female and male.
اوكي.
هيدي بدك تتعجب بالبنسة ولا اذا زمت شوي
بس حلوين.
ايه الحدايد اللي فوق تتعجم وبتربط اذا بدك حبل داير مدار هيك،
اوكي.
لانه اذا زاح هيك او هيك بتلبس راسها فيه.
وقت بيكونوا قاعدين ليتجوزوا
بصير يحطوا لجوا، ايه احنا هون
اوكي.
هيك انتبهت في
أوكي.
طريقه بيقعدوا يبيدوا بقلبهم.
اوكي. When they are ready to mate, they will enter here هن alone, you know.
Okay.
لا يخافوا منه.
The cat catch one inside the هذا. You know? She jumped. She jumped. There were two. She jumped.
She ate
She
it?
catch the door. It seems he was afraid. He didn't know how to leave. She catch him. She ate him.
Oh my god, haram. Haram.
Second one.
Aww.
اكلت له لساني مو
Nasi.
هذول شرسين يعني مسينين.
وعطيته قصدا انا قفص اذا قلب ما ينكسر، يعني هو كان بده قفص شيء انه يحميه من سنتين، ما فيك عليه بلاستيك او شيء.
زرتته
May
على الأرض.
video.
لا حاطين له بيت هيك تبع التزوير.
خشب
Oh, ang cute ng... may rabbit siya dito.
Hello. شكله هو هيكون خايفين منه.
Kinain daw ng pusa. Oh, may ano din sila, oh. Oh, may turtle, Han. Look, turtle, Han. May turtle sila, oh.
احتمال يكون
Hello.
لأني هذا منه مسؤول الحين.
May turtle.
بيكون يا تفرش اثنين صار تنط عليهم 5 مرات اليوم يمكن شوي تروح عليهم حط راسها براسها. مستحيل تطير.
Hello, cute.
إذا راحت مستحيل.
Bigel ata ito. Oh, bakit wawa naman siya. Ano? Oh? So? Oh? Oh, will call, ang cute. Nice, the blue one. Which one is female, Han?
إذا ما أنا ميت إذا أنت ما شفت
هذا ميت.
The green? The green yan eh?
The green is the female. But immediately the other one is sick.
But it's nice, the blue. Very nice the color. Oh, we will call you. What we will call you? Mag-isip ako ng papangalan natin.
الأبيض ذكر هذيك الانتاج ها؟
ايه هذا ترجون.
طيب.
الواحد بقى يتسلى بالشيء.
جوني هذول
Ayaw niyang ipabayad. Partner pala siya dito.
أنا بركي البيت.
Yay, merci.
أحمد بدي ياخذ منك.
Ganda ng loob. Doon yung casino na Luban. Yan. Uwi na kami. Ito na yung birds. Tom and Jerry.
Tommy.
Tommy.
It's easy to give up. Tommy. 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 Timo. Timo. The male.
Okay, Timo and Tima daw. Sige.
Tima the female.
Eh. Maingay sila. They are
Hello, they are ready to mate. It seems
really?
when they approach each other, we can put them. Yani maybe one day you will see the eggs. You know?
If it will make birds again.
Yeah.
Wala. Ay, andito na kami sa bahay, guys. Ipa-ano natin kina Pin and Sky. Sky, this is your new friend. Okay? Timo and Tima. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Hi! Yeah, let's sit, huh? We will put here. Mamaya ayusin ko. Magluto muna ako. Tima and Tima, you wanna eat? Lagay namin dito, guys. Para hindi anuhin ng pusa. Kasi yung kanina yung lalaki, kinain daw ng pusa yung binili niyang birds. Hindi naman siya.
Wait.
You know, you need to look, Haida. Look.
Happy birthday.
Han, this one, you need to make like this, Haidure, heck. Put it down, even hon. And they will fly. Kupit hala, we will clean first. Tima and Tommy pala, sabi ni Mr. Magluluto na ako. Dito na kami sa bahay, guys. Luto pa ako. Naku, late na ako. Sana yung susi ko. Ayan. Bagong alaga. Timo. Ano kaya magandang name? Timo and Tima daw, sabi ni Mr. May kuryente? May kuryente. Hi guys, tara sa garden. Doon si Mr. Kinek niya yung tanim ko. May ipakita ko sa inyo yung birds. Tima at saka si Timo. Pangalawa? Timmy. Timmy and... Paspas! Kunti na lang masagi na ako. Mister, check. Check time. See?
I can't understand why.
Han, it's not yet the time. I told you, May or June. The onion, guys. Oh, grabe. Wala pa rin ang badtunis niya. Bala. Shoy, look. Bala, fi. But not much. Why? Huh? It will go. Maybe it's the one they give you. It's fake, yan eh.
Maybe fake, but it's late to show the steering. Remember?
Come in. Maybe it's not the time, ha. Look, ito yung rocka, guys. Oh, yung mais ko, grabe, showing na sila, wala. Look the ants. I spray them vinegar. They told me, kalas, they go. Wala na, guys, yung ants. You see? But I will spray more. One more. Tignan nyo, guys. Yung mais ko, guys. Ang lalaki na. Bilis. After a week, ito, mag-show na sila hanggang tuhod. Ito naman yung sitaw ko. Yung sitaw natin. Happy sila. Yung pagtunis ni Mr. Frustrated na naman siya. I told you, maybe it will come May, heck. Not now. We'll see when the sun is... Ay! What grass? At afternoon. Lesha, the heck. Bakit may kumakain ng tanim ko? Naputol, guys. Ha? Afternoon, I will remove.
Take the power of the ground from the Banadura.
I will in the afternoon. Yung sili natin, look, fina fruit. Tayo siyang bunga. This is the last year. Grabe, too much. You see? You see, Haidole, buds?
Don't walk, you all were dead.
Daming bunga, guys,
The flower, they will not move.
Ito pala, yung bakod ko. Tanan ko ng sitaw at ampalaya para may purpose siya. Alam nyo, matibay din, itong sitaw, pang sitaw ko, maano siya, hindi siya yung talagang strong, pero lagyan ko ng stick. Yung flower natin, ang ganda. Look, grabe, how nice. Me?
Tima.
It's hard.
Timo.
The other one?
Tommy.
Ito Timmy. Hi Timo. This one is Tommy. Tiyo. Ang cute ng kulay. I like the color. Sa atin ba na normal na ibon? Pero sa kanila mahal ito guys. Sabi ni Mr. Yung maganda daw na quality na ganito, hasun daw ito sa kanila. Ano? Tawag nito, nasa 200, 300 daw. Pero binigay sa amin ito. Kaya lang, train namin na mag-uni. Hindi pa siya get used sa bahay sa area. Ayan, ipakita ko sa inyo yung niluluto ko guys. Ito yung malfoof, mashe. Ayan. Yung repolyo ba na may rice sa loob. Andito na ang mga bata guys.
Hello, Daddy. Why peanut butter? Why peanut butter? Hi, Teta. Hello, Daddy. Hi, Teta. I give Kate.
Huh?
I give to
Sure.
a girl. Hello, Mommy.
Okay.
I want to.
She gave it to you.
Hey, she made me a bracelet and Jenga.
Oh.
She bought me a Jenga and a
Hey,
bracelet.
nice. Haida, you can play like this.
Kate, who's Kate? Hey.
Hey, the girl, hey, the in my class.
Kate, I know her. I know her.
I don't-
I don't know her. Only Melanie.
know her.
No, Mila Haida.
No, not Mila.
Kate.
You don't know her, hey,
How she knows it's your birthday?
It's because I told them and I told my teachers and they sang happy birthday to me.
Ah. Okay. Hey, you said thank you, Lamila, La Kate. Eh. She's beautiful, this Kate.
And she made me a Haida.
Oh, she's beautiful, this Kate.
Uh,
Huh?
Sport cabin.
Okay.
I think Kate is next. Haida the one. She's smart also.
Haida Lama Jenga. I played with my friends. Haida the colorful one.
May bigay kay Kian ng regalo. Haida, you know, it's Haida, yan, you remove in the middle.
Haida, it is Haida.
Jenga, they
The
call.
color one is hard because whatever color that lands, you have to pick, you have to like remove. Not you can pick.
Okay, Mabruk.
Look, you have, his name is, they are female and male. The green is female.
Daddy, we got them two more. It's Tom, male and which one is the male one?
Yeah.
Which one is the male?
The white one is the male. The blue.
The blue one is mine.
Good year.
Did you name them?
Hey, Timo.
Timo. What happened to the other bird? Timo's the male.
Timo is the male, Eva, with the blue one.
And what happened to the other bird? Over there. Over there. It's still there. What is the female?
Timo.
Tima and Timo. Who's the female? I like the yellow. That's the male.
Oh, هيداك تومي.
هيدا for Tommy. هيدا for Tommy.
Tima and ayan. Yalla, it's finished.
The small one is the little house.
Nakaluto na ako. Kain tayo. Nasa labas lang mga kasama ko. Kain tayo guys for lunch.